Hey, think I'm live now? Hey, Judy Brains, welcome to the stream. You're very early today. I was just starting. Okay, so today we're gonna work on what the fuck? Okay, now it works. It's just Visual Studio Code tweaking and all. And so, yeah, today we're gonna work on um, what do you call it? Frame buffers. Yeah, we're gonna work on frame buffer and then yeah, that's the whole point. But for the frame buffer, we gotta generate a texture and also should be easy. Okay, it's just let me have some idea of what frame buffer is like. I'm so sorry for not checking earlier, but I mean, you know. Okay, it loaded. Okay, the frame buffer. Oh yeah. So far we've used several types of screen buffers, color buffers for writing colors values, to write in test depth information, blah blah blah. I know what it is. Okay, but first I think we need to create generate texture, no? So first of all we gotta check something. GL. By the way, I got my laptop to boot and it died completely, no sense of fire. How does that even happen, honestly? And so what I think you should do is at least I got my projects. Yeah, those are what sort of matter. So I have a question in the teacher, so not quite my question. You know what? You can check the how really does it. Where would it be? I think it's rarely. Oh, it's header. Whatever. Let's see if it's here. Texture, there you go. It is here, I suppose. Uh, dude, where are they? Where is the C file? I mean, the motherboard is dead now because capacitor's weighing out. So today I plugged it, showed something near the CPU and it booted. And then I started recovering my files and I had to plug it into an external monitor to boot. And then did it just shut down and never boot? That's my question. And then I finished recovering and it turned out. So now it doesn't boot at all. So the best bet that it is right now is the IC that's found around the charger, the what do you call it? The charger port. There are IC there and then if it's dead then it's dead. It doesn't boot up. It could be that. Even the power button doesn't light up anymore. Does it light up when you plug it in to the like power outlet or something? No, I don't want example, dude. Really, really. Oh man, she sucks. Really. Let's see. Seems like no. There is no such thing. Although there is Dorich. Okay. So let's see what it includes. Of course, the header doesn't include the main file. It is usually only when powered on, but now, yep, it doesn't even blink, just dead. Like your PC shows when you plug in the power, right? Like, what do you even call it? I don't know what do you even call it. No. What the hell is this? Well, I don't know. But like, you know what I mean. All right, so it could be the ICO, right? Get that shit measured and then, uh, let's check here. I do have texture now. Texture to be relatives. Relatives not found. Holy. Okay, let's compile. Just so it knows where relative is. Oh, I don't even know how to compile this. God damn. Okay, I might need to check it on my Telegram. Could be there. Yep, Windows. Okay, there you go. I found it. Oh, what? And I got to a repair shop and he said that he would call me in an hour. And I think that he is searching for a motherboard. Less likely to be the whole motherboard to die. It could be just the it could be just the what do you call it? It could be just the um it could be just the some capacitor or something because it's pretty rare for the whole PC to die. It's rare as well. So yeah. Well, then that's bad. That's actually too bad. And actually finding a motherboard for a specific PC is kind of like hard. So I don't think that it can be repaired. Well, if it's as bad as you just say, then maybe. But I mean, everything is fixable, alright? So yeah, dude, don't need to worry. Also, let me show you something. I asked Gemini. I give Gemini my whole shit, like my code API, everything, right? And then I asked Gemini to surprise me with my own engine, like, you know, make something with it. And let me show you what Gemini built. Like, it's just, I don't even know my engine could do that. Okay, there you go. You can move around and all. Should see you see this? Like, do I even have like to remove a function to remove the cubes? And this is running like 7 FPS, and it's because I'm streaming right now. Well, I mean, I didn't even know my engine could do this, duh. Okay, now we gotta make a function, call it texture, create texture, right? Yep. And so, nah, I'm gonna try to do the same as my PC engine. Yeah, it's fun. It's fun. Also, we do need this, you know, so I don't have to edit from the vertex buffer to make the whole thing run full screen. Like, see this thing, right? It works and all, it's fine. But see, it's just cropped out. So yeah, that's definitely something to fix, and it's an easy fix, honestly. Pew, I missed. Okay, there you go. I can shoot from here. See, okay, I don't even know where am I. Think there are just three enemies or something. Oh my god, it is so smooth. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Just good to do this thing, Just going and stuff. The frame rate is like, I'm not very satisfied with it. Like 40, 30 on some shit. Like, what is this? You shouldn't even have like cared about this thing. Let alone having 50-ish frames per second. It's because the stream, but like it's 100, which is still not good, honestly. Always check that our frame rate is okay. Blah blah blah. So, hmm, we can try it right now. I think there is some function called gel gen texture or something. I think so. Yes, there is, but it's just I don't think it's available on G on OpenGL 3.3. And by the way, my engine is modular flex die. Yes, you can flex as much as you want, but the problem is I'm the only one who's gonna see that, so I don't know. Yeah, takes image 2D. This is available on. Oh no, think so. Oh yes, it is. Usage. So my engine has like parts, and you assemble them. I mean, pretty much what I do. Is that what you mean? I don't know. Oh, it's ready. So specification. We need a target. So that could be it's enum. Duh. Wait, I'm kind of confused. Oh, so the target means like specifies GLC to be approximate. Okay, I see. We want this one geotexture today. You attack texture module, you get the texture, or you can build your own texture system. Uh-huh. I see. I see. So what we can do here right now is gel, gen textures, and the first parameter is target, and it's of course texture, gel texture today. One physics include that physics radius file. Okay, yeah, I see. That's kind of how my engine works as well. Like you want the platform. Actually, there's no platform, so we don't need it. But like when the resource manager like to include texture, then you do have to include that. And like I do have exposed functions, and when exposed defined of this, then it's not exposed, which means the user cannot use it. Now it's exposed through the DLL, and then when building, I pass this argument, so you know it builds. But I mean, it's fine. The second parameter is the level, specified level to the. Oh, so I think yeah, that's zero. Third one within height. Oh, within height. So I think it can be integer not floats with high height, and then with a right. Oh my god, what am I doing, Geo? Texture. Wait, gel takes image 2D. What's the null pointer builder? Include the null pointer dodge. Okay, that's a little bit too modular. Is it saying high? Like, I already have done that. Like, what do you mean? Label, internal formats. Okay, I missed one here. So for the internal formats, so color implementation to texture. Table one, table two, compress. I don't know how they work. Okay, let's see an example. We generate ID. Of course we do. Generate texture on it, right? We bind, and then pixels, okay. This is actually what we want, so I'll just follow this. Oh, okay, I see. So the frame buffer, I don't think we would need alpha channel, but I think it's not bad to specify. So I can't really see watching. Oh, wait, I can zoom actually. I just forget to zoom every time because I mean it looks sucks honestly. This is too big, but I mean whatever. Okay, so now that uh we should let's have an enum right in the texture enum suppose with DLL. Stack Overflow always has the fix for us now, but in this case I don't see the answers. I've never used DLL. First, this is that was not my answer. That did not answer my question. But anyway, so in the texture, enum, and then X type, since it's in the texture, I mean, Peter would definitely know what they're doing, so there's no need that, right? So why is it only I'm the only one? Wait, no, there am I the only one? Well, seems like it. I think so. You're the only one here heading. What the fuck is wrong with me today? Bros, it's taking years to load. Okay, here it is. Uh, you know what else I could have done? I could have just, you know, you know what? Let's do that. I don't know. This shit is like weird, bruh. This is what I could have done. I mean, yeah, it's solid one. Are you certified? Blah, blah, I know what it is. Yep, that's exactly how it is. Okay, I see. I think we should do this in the header file. And of course, public. Also, it's not in the class. So, how many tabs do we have? Well, I'm on Windows. I ran out of like storage on Linux, so for a bit I'm gonna be on Windows. But I mean, both of them work, so it don't really matter. GLRGB, GLRGBA. Since how we do in like the hell is wrong then? Um yeah, so what's wrong? Dude. Oh wait. Okay. I think that you can use Linux terminal images. Yes, WSL works, but it doesn't hurt to use Windows One. Okay, first of all, I'm stupid. It's supposed to be what was it? R RGB RGBA. Wait, what other things do we have? GL image types. Isn't it called the Linux subsystem or something like that? Yes, it is. Linux subsystem or WSL. Uh, no. No, no, no. Didn't even mention RG. Oh, no, never mind. Did here. Alright, so yeah, RGBA is what we want. Alright, cool. And so we're gonna let's include. I use relative path, so yeah, hopefully you don't mind that. Include and define storage. XAPI. RGB red, green, blue, RGB red, green, blue, alpha. Oh yes. So now that's something I have no idea about. NPTR RGBA. Oh, okay. Okay, I see. All right, so what's next? What okay. Why am I stuttering so bad? The next thing we're gonna do is define it here. I mean I can do something like look if what was it? Type or whatever it was. Yes, it's type like full capital. Type wait, why am I logging? No pointer with green blue alpha. Yeah, RGBA. Alpha for transparency channel. Jesus Christ, dude. This is so confusing. So yeah, we're not gonna support this RGB thing for now. So that's a job for later on. Not now, so we're just gonna do GL RGBA and we'll just pass the full data. Now we do have this, the border. What is that? Border. This value must be 0. Why though? Why? And by the way, can you check my GitHub? So, have you seen my pointer variable space? No, I didn't. Um, I know those shits are like really, really messy. 0. I don't know who that is. I'll check them out. Hopefully not my close friend. You don't even have your GitHub here, dude. Right, so this must be 0, it says. After the border, we have the format, and the format is, um, dude, we did that on here. Format of the input data. Oh, okay, how it's stored and how it's. Oh, I see. I mean, of course, it's a GBA. Let me send a link to your thing. Type. Also, I don't really know how to read your code, so yeah. Type specific data type. So basically, okay, that's a lot of shit. It's unsigned something, I don't know. How do I know what it is? It's unsigned integer. And the last one is data. Specify pointer to the image data in the memory. So I suppose pixels, where are the pixels? Okay, well, let's just join this. Okay, good, you're good. And then, um, what's left? Think nothing. Let's put pixels, pixels here, and then there you go. Start Discord. Oh, okay. Wait, your own, dude? I see, I see. Breeze, 3820, 20 pointer, um, A plus B pointer, that's 20, broski. I don't want, like, dude, I'm gonna pass out. I have my own shit here. It's a lot reading yours. So now, of course, it's public. No, no, that's my bad. Int, weights, and hey, all right, now we good. Well, like, we are not like doing anything to the texture. So we create texture, right? And then we do the usual. Yeah, bro. I think so too. Um. Okay, so I suppose it's just damn. It's just a maze, dude. Hmm. How do we return the texture and all? I think can we use like do we have to use like the what do you call the resource manager to generate that's gonna be me, so I think I'm just gonna let it have like its own sheet. Once so we just do the usual. and then we bind the texture. Wait, no, texture to the. What's wrong? Oh, texture, and then yep. I hate to write this shit, like. So hi, me and you work on the same engine since our engine are similar. So what do you think? It works. Actually, that's a good idea. We can try on GitHub. So the target is a texture. No, it 2D, right? And the parameter name is with yeah, SNT. Now I forget geo texture rod ace and geo linear. And one thing though, I do some weird things when coding. I mean, we all do, just not on the stream. So yeah, so that's good. And then there's our filter with texture mean uh filter, and then I think I'm oh my, what the hell am I doing? Repeat, yeah, repeat, repeat. There you go. I think that works. Yep. And now, what do we do? I think we just return. Return takes, sure. What do you mean? Oh, well, that's my bad. I just went crazy. Can be unsigned integer though. But that's not what my um PreQ expects as a texture. It is well, a shared pointer texture. Texture, and then the header, do this right, it's gonna work. And then I don't think it's gonna work this way, because well, of course these are not like those. So use draw pointers, man. Draw pointers, nah, shared pointers is better. I mean, it's automatic, it's managed automatically. So I mean, once we exit this function, it's gonna be removed. So like, we don't really have to care about a lot of things. Wait, I really use smart pointers. Now I should use them like quite often, otherwise it's gonna be a miss. So what can we do here? Different thing. Wait, so what does this? Wait, we never return anything, do we? No, it's just as it is, you know? So we do everything. Okay, the resource management does the shit, you know? It returns it returns texture, the texture is this and then it creates a new one. Right, and yeah, it just returns that. So yeah, it's really not gonna help now. Now I have no idea now. Do we even have to like return anything? I mean, I think we have to, but like, and by the way, will your engine have 3D rendering? Well, for the UI, yes, but not quite sure about native UI. 2D renderer, like for the game and all, but just basic UI stuff. But I mean, I'll see. But I'm full in for 3D. All right, so hmm, right here. I think we really like gotta like have to return something. No, think we have to. Not sure. Let me see. Okay. So now that wait, I mean, okay, I think one of them is supposed to be Max. Well, a rookie mistake. So what? Isn't that how it says? Mag, okay, no. Well, uh, so I think what we can do here right now is we're gonna keep it as it is, and a shared pointer. Wait, I'll be right back. So yeah, I'm back for a bit. So texture, texture, and then uh, what the hell does it say? Noun type. First of all, this is auto like we wanted to get whatever it is. All right. Now that, so um, text will, well then I will make the to the part. Hmm. Yeah, I mean, we can contribute definitely. That's why it's source in the first place. Oh, it's fine. Well, I was AFK as well. So, um, now that, wait, is it will it work this way? Hopefully, please. No, first of all, pointer class belly test to that. What do you want, dude? This is so weird. What the hell is even going on? Like, okay, right, it's a function, so yeah. And we gotta pass something null pointer, right? And then, okay, this worked certainly. And yeah, um, texture again. And so we said things. I think yeah, it works. It's gonna work this way. Uh, bytes. Yeah, I mean, sure, it's gonna compile now. Nope. Well, that's because I don't have memory included. Yeah, chill out. I know what it is. Chill out, dude. What? Where? Wait, where did we include that? Bruh. Oh, it was supposed to be in the header. Now it works now. And by the way, does your engine have a name internally that you use? Just ZTM engine. Write a build and yeah, surely it runs. It runs great. See. Oh wait, no. Wrong one. It runs well. There you go. This is it. When I press X, it should upload it, but like that functionality is now removed because well, it just keeps on crashing the fucking engine. So yeah, currently no. All right. So let's try it, shall we? Texture is really not exposed, right? Now let's expose this functionally, like just this. And then, so we have to add this to the texture. Wait, where's the texture? They start to build. Should be fine, I suppose. Now it's generated based on this. It's still compiling for some reason. It's taking a little bit of time. And do you like write GTA to draw? It's a namespace engine. Start drawing. You actually do nothing here. You just gives the data to the engine and it queues, and that the renderer, when it's the time, it just renders, goes through all of them. That's how it works. So let's include texture. It is included. So texture, hit on texture, and then create texture. One 512 by 512. Just a 64 now. And non-static member must be related to specific object. I have had that issue for like I don't know what. Test FB. What does this mean? Oh, I think I know I think so. It says it has to be attached or something. Like to yeah, that's because it's in here texture, and texture is like something that you create. So what we can do right now is well make it not a class. Yes, I know this is gonna be a base, but it works, it works. It's not a class. Then I can access this. No, that's not gonna work. We need to test this like without creating. But for now, let's just do for the sake of it. Because imagine when you want to draw, you write breeze dot draw color position type, and that is just a type of square or triangle. Oh, it's like okay, it's draw. No, my engine doesn't work that way. Mine is more like ECS. You know ECS. It's more to ECS. You first create the cube, you feed the data at the initialization, right? Or whatever you want, and queue those, you know, this rendering thing. And so once it's time to render, it just goes through all the data it queued and then draws them. That's how it works. So it's saying that like this, and so it works now. So that's very interesting. Yep, that's very interesting. Like, that's some sort of like design issue. But let's see. I'm pretty sure it's gonna crash. Like, I'm like 500% sure it's gonna crash. If it doesn't, I don't know. Then it doesn't. Yeah, I think so. Your was more of like an API thing. Let's feed this API. Yes, but like, yeah, you can call that. You can call it that. But mine is like a lot of things, cache, and a lot of things, honestly. Jesus Christ, I'm not even calling those, but like, dude, no way. I said if I reach 1,000 subscribers, yeah, I'm gonna do that. First of all, it didn't even compile, dude. Like, it didn't even compile. This is just the last build. The engine is not even built. So I think instead of like making a fucking mess, I think we can wait. How do you select? No, no. Wait, I forgot how to do that. Okay, I guess whatever. So let's just use the resource manager. I mean, this is gonna be a mess if we just do it. um. Okay. Let's do it with the resource manager. So that's the best bit to do right now. The best thing to do right now. The best move. Okay, we want it to be a shared texture, of course. Otherwise, well, it's gonna crash. Create texture. Uh, let's add blank just in case. And weight and integer height. And then we use honestly something like this one. But here it's a null pointer here, and and then um and then we're gonna use texture dot uh what texture dot create texture, and it's by width and height. If I copy paste this, it's gonna work, right? I'm pretty sure about that. Yes, it does. Even if it's null pointer, but like, what the fuck is wrong with it? What the fuck is wrong here? But I mean, anyways, let's not get really hit about that. So we create texture, just refuses to read whatever is here. Fucking asshole. And I'm sure it doesn't compile. Oh yes, because I think it's just that it's not defined, but sure enough. Well, Breeze, this research and found that developing Linux and porting to Windows is easier unless you use 30 days. For me personally, I know how to operate Linux, so it's easier to build on Windows and port to Linux later on because well, Linux is much forgiving than Windows. because Unix is stricter and Windows is a bit forgiving. What? No way. Windows is fucking forgiving. I mean, at least from my experience, it's quite the opposite. But I mean, it differs. So for me, it's Linux is much easier. So now, what is wrong here? The heck is wrong with this? Like, can I do texture right? And then, oh, wait, I think I kind of know why. Um, texture, and then I think it's the type. If it was like texture, texture, yeah, like let's make it like auto. Also, not mm, third pointer, and then wait, go back. Third pointer. Okay, texture shift would not work. Nah, in my opinion, it's free because it wasn't good. I mean, personally though, Windows is harder, less forgiving, and Linux is like much forgiving. So if it was texture, text, texture, texture, null pointer, or like if it was like this, then it would definitely work. But oh, let's speak less. Dude, what the hell is wrong with this shit? Define texture. Texture should work. Ah, boy. My mouse fucking. Okay, well, was really nice things. Prepare the nukes, dude. Prepare them. Bring them. Nuke them. Okay. Obviously we can do this type of like check and all. Wait, what? Like you can do that? Duh. Oh, I think the other one should be make. Like, damn. Okay. No pointer. Right. How do we fail to load load custom texture? All right. All right. Um. So now we know what's wrong if it couldn't load, and then now um texture. My God. How can we use a function? Wait, let's check this thing. What was it called? Shared pointer C++ using function out of defined variable. Wait, when I give out everything, I'm gonna give you my 2D render code to see if it works in Windows. Sure, I'll try that, but like Windows is hell. I hate it. Nope, nope, nope. Let's try data to render data. What? Oh, yeah, that's my bad. Oh my god, this is how you use it. Jesus Christ. 512 by 512. Mason. Well, I have never used Mason, but like, I mean, we'll see. Okay, this was it's like literally after we create everything, let's just do this and then loaded custom texture. GJ. I don't this is crazy. That is absolute madness. Alright. Now that we have this, we wanna return the texture usually. There you go. And now here it's not exposed to CPI, then now it's and so now we don't have to do this anymore. What we have to do is either auto and then um texture. Wait, let's just call it what should we call it? Takes custom texture and then X engine resource manager create blank texture. Oh, I made a mistake here. It's width and then high. So now 512 by 512. Yep. I guess we're good. Let's see if it compiles. Of course, it compiles, but if it doesn't crash, I don't know. I feel like it's gonna crash. I'm pretty certain that it's gonna crash. In 3, 2, 1, boom. Now it crashed. There you go, it crashed. Or is it? It didn't crash, but like it's stuck in the state. Well, it's definitely here. It's here, of course. Like, dude. Okay, it crashed. Now we gotta figure out where that issue is coming from. It's put it there or like here. Let's do this. Yeah, texture creating custom texture returning the custom texture. Yeah, let's compile and see. I'm pretty sure it's somewhere it's here. I think it's on this line. That's where I've done a lot of things that I haven't read about. I think it has to be 8-bit or something. We'll see. Creating custom texture. Yep. Let's see the resource. How much responding and it's okay. Windows 11. Okay. Uh, this page. Where is it? 8 megabytes. See, s- nothing much, and it crashes. So yeah, that's it. That is spike at the end or something. I believe now it has to be 156 bits. This one, I think it's like this, but like we gotta know where it is. Generating function. Yeah, I'm sure we're gonna see that text before it crashes. Oh no, I could have added like exited this thing and something. So now, so we know that. Well, that was the issue. Okay, yep. It does reach that state. It does generate the texture and find them all. But then, crash here. Now we know where the issue is. You see, this is the issue. This is where it crashes. Without that, it would work. You see. Also on Windows, I hate that it doesn't show me um it doesn't show segmentation faults. For the first few days working with Windows, I thought it was just you know doing its job. But then I noticed that it's just Windows fucking with me. No, it just have one 360. Should work now, and it does, of course. Sure, it does. Now, now that we know this is the issue, what can we do about it? Could it be this? If it's the data like the pixels, I think we can try to do like set it to null pointer. It does have integrated GPU though. I mean, of course it does. I think so. Wait, I've never checked that. Okay, yep, it was the data. Okay, now it works. It was the data. Was my CPU H2i7 12 208 CPU have iGPU? Yes, they do. So we found the issue. It was the data. It was this one. So what can we put there? Data. Storage in memory. Well, you can do it to handle just have string encoding, so your main GPU won't have to work that much. Well, I mean, the iGPU is not that good, so the stream is gonna lag. Which I should use the both of my GPU, and then I mean, it's not even struggling, so I think it's fine. It's my fucking RAM that's always fucking struggling, and the CPU is chill either. It's just some traits spike, the rest of them chill. Overall, though, it's chill. No. What do we have to feed the data? I think it's the data like it's red, green, blue. The fuck is yellow? Gemini. Honestly, not even lag. I mean, my GPU is not like uh working that hard, so let's like we're gonna do the rest of it tomorrow. Okay, now it's our GBA with times I times 4, and then um make the rate data rate, and then um well RGBA. Yeah, I think any quick one with variable or something. Okay, let's see though. Let's see if that's gonna work. I mean, is this how data really work? Rate. Let's see. We're gonna expose it all and tomorrow, and yeah, I'm getting tired right now, so the engine is built. Fuck. It's Christ. Because Intel GPUs are good at encoding. Yeah, I mean, only if my GPU was struggling though. 1 1. Wait, 1 by 1. Stay for 10 minutes more. Why? I gotta go. Like, just doing nothing. Why though? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna show. It thank you stream. This do. Oh, it does. Okay. I guess 512 by 512 was huge. Okay, let's make it custom texture, and then this page, build a path to get your location. Okay, big key though. Oh man, what is this? Where's the other one? Wait, if I really get close up, will I be able to see? I mean, there is a cube, but like, can't see. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, I guess we'll figure it out tomorrow. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Till I see you tomorrow. Goodbye.